Well, I'm headed up to Spring Hill there to work on the truck for the day, so this is what we're looking at. Snow, snow, more snow. At least it starts right up. Well, here we are. Can't remember if I made a video first, but the truck's all back together. Got the bumper back on it. The wires all run through it. Everything's bolted back up. Cross members all bolted in. Gas tank's bolted in. Exhaust is bolted up. Shocks are bolted up. Now we're pulling these, or I'm gonna pull these tires off and pull the tires off the front of it too. But it's gonna be fun because there's not much room between there and the other trucks. So yes, sir. Here we go. Yeah. So I'm not sponsored by Mastercraft or anything, but these impacts, the 8.5 amp or whatever it is, they work good, man. I'm telling you, I've used it on almost every single bolt on this truck. Even taking the tires off, it got all the lugs started right off except for one. So great tool, great tool. And these are also great tires. People don't give them enough credit. The All-Terrains, BF Goodwrench, they're expensive tire to buy, but I've gone through a foot of snow in two-wheel drive and not fetched up at all and just went. So I swear by those tires. So here we set. Got the tires on it. They are pretty shit, but anyway, frame's all on it. This is the other frame and it's hard to see. Poor camera for this. I'm trying to get my other camera working. Haven't used it in so long. There's still factory paint on it though, so I'm trying to decide what to do. I don't know if you guys know anything about this, but there's patches of rust, so should I sandblast it right down to bare metal and then prime it and then paint it and then undercoat it, or should I just get a rust paint, like brush on, and sand it all down, clean it up as best I can, and then just go over it with that? So you guys let me know what you think. Anyway, I'm ready to throw the box back on the White Ranger here and get it out the door. So that's it for today, folks.